Okay, a quick tip if you use the Microsoft virtual machines. This is one of the virtual machines. You can download these for free from developer.microsoft.com. If you do a web search, you'll find it. In fact, the easiest way to get this is to go off to modern.ie and then scroll down and there's virtual machines, and then you get the chance to download whatever virtual machines for whichever. Let's go. So I want a virtual machine for MS Edge on Windows 10, and I'm going to use it on whichever one here. I'm using it in VMware, so I would download this. It's an easy way to get a Windows machine running for you to then install whatever software you want. And you can see that there's lighter machines using Win 7, Win 8.1, which are faster to download if you want. But the tip is, because this always annoys me, I download the virtual machine and then it just goes really slow. And the reason it's going really slow is because it's downloading updates. So I want to check updates, Windows Update settings. That'll take me off to the settings. Then in advanced options, what you want to do is pause updates. If you pause updates, it doesn't do any updates for 35 days because these virtual machines only last for, is it 60 days? Then that's a fairly good length of time for using your Windows machine. So pause updates, it just makes your life an awful lot easier when you're using the free virtual machines from Microsoft that you can find via modern.ie.